I'm recording right now. If you want, I'll
If
make
I
this.
burp
Why are
again,
you
then
recording?
I'll make this a YouTube video. Raisha making breakfast.
breakfast, bro. This is gonna be my lunch if I can
Bro,
find
I
it.
don't know time zones, man.
Dude, I'm not gonna eat freaking noodles for breakfast.
You probably would.
Nah. I mean, if I skip breakfast, then technically, but
I,
I didn't.
I guess.
Fucking, we're having a small one, so I'm gonna have to use a big one instead.
Big boy.
You have to use a big. Dude, what is? Look at this guy. What is he doing? What the hell?
What's he doing over
What the dog doing?
there?
Wait, no, that one's too big. Never mind, it's the only one I have. Alright. You can
Oh,
like almost see my face reflecting off of the things I just realized.
no, I can't.
Wait, I
Yours.
already.
Both of your
I'm.
screens
I'm.
are so hard to see.
Hmm.
Racia's just froze.
Raisha, yours is frozen for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
you
Wait,
think I
let
should
me.
have some of this pasta?
Yeah, sure.
Hell yeah.
Put it in the microwave. Then you're done.
I don't think that's how it works.
You never
Can
I'll
you?
put
know.
some of this.
Am I still frozen?
This will be my topping for it. Yeah, yeah, you are still frozen.
Okay, hold
Yeah.
on. Am I unfrozen?
How much Vegemite is in
Yes,
there?
Nice. It's too much.
Milo.
Milo. Are you gonna put Milo wasabi in it again?
Oh god, I could.
You could.
I actually want to eat. I'm actually kind of hungry.
Oh, okay. So for
I've
Dank,
got this chocolate,
it's dinner. For Rachel,
this
it's
cheese.
lunch, I guess.
Yeah. Hold on.
Rachel's is just a black
Yeah, I think I
screen
might
for
have
me.
pasta.
That's because the phone is on the table because I need my hands right now.
You don't need your
Look at this
hands.
woman.
You don't need your hands. You have fins.
I need hands.
Woman.
Oh, okay.
Woman.
Okay,
Yeah.
this frying pan is too small.
I
Gotta get
see
a
it.
bigger one.
I see it. I see it.
Do, do you see this, the guy?
Is that your breakfast?
That's a
Woman.
woman.
Woman in green. My
It's,
That's so
sister
good.
made this. I'm not really sure why.
I don't know.
Wait, I'm breaking the basic rules of whatever.
What other Australian foods do I have? I have Wheat Bix. You guys probably don't know what that is.
No, I've heard it before. People say Weetabix.
What Weetabix? Yeah, I have those. I used to have
No,
those,
it's
but
just
now I don't.
Wheat Bix. Just Wheat
Well,
Bix.
there's supposed to be an A instead of the dash, bro.
Look, I've got this chili chocolate. It's quite nice.
It looks like a bomb.
It is.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna have some pasta.
all right.
Hell yeah.
I'll go back to Rachel's screen. Hold on. Okay.
Surely you can get like both your accounts to watch both of them.
Oh yeah, wait, but like Marcus banned my ult because he fell for the thing.
Oh,
Actually, I'll be back.
oh god. The saucepan that I'd normally use is in the wash.
Same,
I'm
dude.
guessing.
Actually, I don't know what those things are called in English, but one of them is in the wash.
Does it look like this?
Yes,
It's a saucepan, I
right.
think.
I was gonna use one that was pretty much that size, but it was not available, so I had to use a bigger one.
I really hope it's fine to eat this pasta. Honestly, I don't even care.
I mean, does pasta even expire?
No, it's not that. It's just that I don't know if my mom was planning to use it for cooking or something.
Oh, just buy a new one. New pasta.
Yeah, because the Australian economy is not ruined. What the hell? Why is this laptop laying like this? This can't be good. Oh shit, I see why it's laying like that. Dude, look at this poor laptop. Look, Rasha. It got dropped in water, and now they have rice on it.
Rice. Put the laptop in rice.
Yeah, and they have it hanging over. That's unfortunate. Okay, I need to fill up the pan with water. I think I pre-salt the water. I don't actually really remember. It's my salt shaker. Fuck, I just hit my head. I need a tool to mix. I'm sure I could use this. What do you reckon? Do you reckon this is adequate for pasta mixing?
Yes, that is excellent for pasta.
I
Except
guess.
the hole,
Yeah.
if you're making macaroni, then it's gonna fall through the holes and it's gonna be
It's
weird.
me, it's me. Look, it's me. You can sort of see me.
Yo, can you also sort of see me? Hold on. Of this model. No, you can't. It's like I'm long. Oh yeah,
Face
I'm
reveal. Long.
long boy. Your water be
Okay.
boiling though.
I should boil some water too.
The noodle is in the water. The noodle is in. Now we put the powder in the noodle. We put the power in the noodle.
Okay, I've got my water.
Tech support man is now food support man. Food support.
I guess I just have to get this to boiling. It doesn't really matter what temperature I put it to. Should I pre-salt the water?
Yes, you should.
Okay.
I reckon that would be a wise choice.
Yeah, I reckon it would be too. I need butter. I need the dog with the butter on its head.
The butter dog with the butter on it. I need the seasoning.
Found the butter dog. I wonder if we have any pesto.
The guy, are you jealous of us right now? We're getting food.
We're making food for ourselves.
Yeah,
Soy
dude. Are you
sauce.
jealous? You're getting hungry?
You getting hungry? You're gonna piss your
Oh,
pants.
he's muted. He can't talk to us at all.
I kind of wish I had. Wait, I was about to say I wish I had hot sauce. No, I don't. Why would I want hot sauce with pasta? I guess it'd be alright actually.
Just do it for the vine. Bro.
Bro, you're getting a close-up view of cheese right now.
I don't know if
Cheese.
this is on or not.
Oh, I do have hot sauce.
Wait.
That doesn't matter. But
Oh, it's on.
I've just
Alright. Round 3, I guess. Yo.
I need to put the. I'm fucking shit. What the fuck am I doing? I think I need a bit more water than that, to be honest.
Bit more water.
Okay, I'm gonna go with that because if a bit of the water like evaporates. Science right now. Because the water will evaporate. I'm gonna do that much salt. I can always add more, I guess. Now I leave that to boil. Happens. I may as well get out in a bowl. Look at this bowl, premium bowl.
Have to go to the mini fridge for some Pepsi. Yeah, dude.
Whoa. Eating unhealthy, let's go.
Oh. Bro, dude's be crackling over here.
Did you put butter before you put the bacon in?
No.
Oh god, you have to be careful.
I live on the edge like that. It's looking alright. Well, this one, they're like cooking unevenly. I don't like that.
Oh. I don't know, I need a fucking...
That's seriously all the spices they had on this. What the hell?
You know that thing that you like put like hot water and food in, and it like drains out the hot water but not the food?
Yes, I'll show you. It's called a freaking. Actually,
It's called a sieve. That's what it's called.
one of these bad boys.
Yeah, I've lost mine and I need it. Like I really need it.
Borrow mine. Take it through the camera. Take it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm taking it. I took it. Yeah, thank you.
Nice. You're welcome. Okay, this one is gonna burn.
Oh, could that work?
I'm gonna save this one. It's gonna freaking.
This might have to do.
Hold on. Freaking rescue over here on this guy. This guy as well. Let's get like half done and half not. This guy's
Oh,
doing alright. This guy is fine. I think those guys are pretty much done, honestly. Yeah. That should be
bro, this is the mystery of the sieve. Where the fuck?
Boom.
Me again. Me again.
Yo, he's there. Yo, you found it. Or did you?
No, this is a different one. It's not the one I was after, but it should work.
That one, it should work. No, I'm gonna use mine now, but I cannot do it with the. Well, actually, like show you the action when it happens.
Yeah, boiling water is dangerous. I kind of want to add a bit more salt to my water. But I don't want to over salt it, you know? I guess less is better because I can always add more to my actual dish. You know? I may as well get cheese in the grater out while I wait. Cheese. Oh, cheese grater. Fresh, are you still here?
Yes, I finished making the food.
Yeah. That was crazy.
Boom, there it is.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. You're also beautiful. No homo.
Well, thank you. I need to get scissors because I need to cut open this package. Actually, I can use my bare hands. I'm just strong like that.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna check once more if there's any. Because I know I get shit on if there is. I could make Uncle Ben's special fried rice. Look at that erasure.
Let's go, dude. Yeah. Uncle Ben's fried rice.
Well, I don't know why I got dehydrated food. Literally, this would be so easy to smack up. I literally just put some water in with this thing, and I've got a meal.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. There you go. You can see the food while I'm eating it.
Nice. This pack has proven too difficult for me to open. Mission,
Oh,
find scissors.
Yeah.
I'm walking through the dark hallways. Oh my god, spooky. Look, there's a monitor. It's old as fuck.
Yo.
There's the gaming setup. Look, there's the laptop, the mouse, the switch. I think I have scissors somewhere around here. And who
It's very
fucking
dark
knows?
in there. I can barely see.
Yeah. Okay, I'm leaving the room now. I have scissors.
Nice.
Oh, my water's boiling. Oh wait, no, it's not. How naive of me.
It actually
Okay,
warms a lot faster.
the pasta has been opened.
Nice.
I'm eating some dry pasta because why not?
Oh yeah. Eat it like monkey. Monkey eat pasta. Bro, break, please.
What the fuck is this? I got like a mini eggplant or some shit. This is so crunchy, holy shit. I really hate Apple phones so much. Literally, I'm trying to turn down my brightness and it auto turns it back up.
Bro. I've never had an Apple and I never want to have one.
Oh shit. Water is boiling. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is a lot of steam.
Damn.
Okay. Alright, I forgot a vital step in the process. Now, I don't know how much pasta I'm gonna eat. I probably don't need that much. Alright, the phone's going down. This is getting fucking intense, mate.
Shit's getting real.
Holy shit, I might have done too much pasta. Well, it's in. Look, Gracia.
Yo, it's in. Let's go.
We get the better lighting going.
Hey, the
Holy
guy.
shit.
Yo, I hope you're recording the guy because I might have another burp coming pretty soon.
I think the guy died.
Yeah.
It's me, real. I think I might have done too much water. This is dangerous. Look at that. Look how high up the water is.
Yeah, that's a lot. Maybe turn down the temperature a little.
Yeah. I'm turning it from 6 down to 5. I'm turning it down again. I'm scared. This shit is boiling so hard. Holy crap. my dad taught me this trick for cooking pasta. I think it was only for spaghetti, but if you throw this spaghetti against a wall and it sticks, then it's most likely ready to eat.
All right, but well, what if your wall is dirty and now the spaghetti is no longer good to eat?
Well, you only throw like one strand of spaghetti against the wall. You don't throw all the spaghetti against the wall. You just take
Oh,
it
no,
out
that
in the
might be
handful and just.
that might be a good idea, actually. Yeah, not to put all of it. I just like grab a bit with the fork and eat it and taste if it like feels ready.
Yeah, that's what I do. But it was just a funny thing he told me.
Yeah.
Huh, that's a lot of water on the ground.
What?
Holy shit. I put boiling water everywhere. I'm gonna have to do some masterful cloth wiping to clean this up. Alright. Pasta's coming along well. It's not overboiling. Salt you can probably move. I'm gonna check my phone's charge. It's an Apple, so it's probably on 2% right now. Okay, same thing. Literally, like, all I use my phone for is texts, calls, and Clash of Clans.
Yeah, I just use it for like well, I mean I used to watch videos in bed and like when I'm on my
Yeah, that's true. I do watch a lot of YouTube.
yeah, when I'm like in the school on a break, I use the phone to check Reddit and Discord.
Hi.
Hello.
The guy, you're back. Look at my pasta cooking.
I
That's
just
hot.
finished eating.
Oh.
I almost burnt down my entire house.
That's hot.
Yeah, it is very hot.
How hot is it?
Fire sure is yeah.
I'm putting in more salt. I'm just edgy like that.
Did you record that one?
Yeah, it's still recording. It's been recording the entire time. Don't worry.
Oh.
So you've been recording us cooking.
Yes.
Where did you go?
I had to like make something.
Drugs. Were you making cocaine?
No, I would take longer than that.
Holy
Are you
shit.
sure?
That was a good one.
Erasure.
That was a good one.
Jeez, man, you've been grinding
That was
these
a
out,
pretty good
haven't
one.
you?
That was a pretty alright one, I'd say.
Yeah.
He just keeps saying it's good. Like, that's alright. That's pretty good. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, I just burped for 6 seconds. I think that's pretty fine.
You get a
Oh,
rubber
sad.
band. The guy, what do you think of this pasta?
It looks like pasta without the sauce.
Can you taste it? Give it a taste test. Tell me if it's cooked.
It's too hot, man. I'm sorry.
Too hot? Too shit.
Dude. It's supposed to be hot.
Look, I just took it off the heat. Now it can chill here. I'll pick it up. Alright, give it a fuck. It's slipping. Give it a taste. Fuck. It's
That
still
would
really
be
hot.
good. What are we gonna eat with the pasta though?
Yeah, I don't want to eat just like a.
Nothing. I'm just gonna eat the pasta.
Why?
You just put nothing on.
Gotta
I'm
put
just gonna put
something
like.
with the pasta.
No, I'm gonna put like butter and cheese on it. I would put pesto, but I don't have any.
Aw,
You're just gonna put like ketchup and
That's
like,
a
yup,
shame.
it's done. Yup.
No, I'm gonna use like butter to like give it some texture and some flavor. But like
yeah.
and cheese, so it's gonna be fine. But it's just a shame because I would do pesto, but we don't have any. His pesto pasta is the best type of pasta, in my opinion.
I get
That
it.
is some good pasta, not gonna lie.
Yeah. I'm taking out the pieces pretty often since it's getting quite close to being done. Look at Raisha stacking the dishwasher.
Yeah.
Look at him.
See, this is the guy that I was gonna use for the noodles, but it's dirty.
Why are you just putting
Hop.
them on the table? Why are you just putting them on the
This is a
table?
dishwasher. What? Wait. Oh, dank. Never mind.
No, it's
Sorry.
dank. It's
Sorry.
dank. It's the dank. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He just like
He's
took the
just
It's a
putting the
pasta.
strap.
fucking
He just
pasta
takes
on
the
the
pasta
table.
with his bare
On the
fingers,
fucking-
dude.
What are you doing?
Put it back in. No. Put it. Eat it. Oh my god. You just
No, I threw it against the wall and it fell onto the ground.
you're wasting food.
5 second rule. 5 second rule.
I get
Alright,
it.
phone has to go down. I'm handling hot water.
No, you don't.
Nah, pussy.
You're going in my.
I guess he's gone.
I guess we went in the pocket.
It has been done.
Nice.
No way.
Hell yeah. Macaroni.
Now I must clean. Look at that.
You clean it from all the pasta you just put on it.
You gotta clean the noodles. Yeah, so.
Was I triggering you there, the guy?
Nah. It was just a bit funny. You just wash your hands, then. Come on.
Nice, dude.
I did wash my hands before
Yo,
starting.
getting a feeling,
What do you
yo,
mean?
so let's go.
Alright.
Dude, that's a lot of pasta. Holy shit.
Dude, that's.
You have a.
Dude, you're a big man. You need some big food.
I'm a hungry boy.
He's a Viking, but like Australian. It's a big knife.
Spoon and knife. Strap.
Alright. What you gonna do with it?
Alright, so what we do is you open up the butter.
The dog
Take the
with
knife.
butter.
I'm watching. Oh god.
The-
Oh god.
The knife fell on the ground.
Yeah.
Clean it, then. Come on.
Drop it.
You can't do that. Clean it.
So what we do
No,
He
you
was
don't
all-
have to clean it. It's just on the floor for 1 second. It's not even. Floor's not even dirty. Oh my god, he just murdered that butter.
Huh?
Alright, now the butter's been killed. Now I can start using it. So we take out some butter, put it in the pasta. Fuck off. We get some more butter, put it on the pasta. We get some more butter, we put it on the pasta.
I like the sound of that.
We get some more butter, put it on the
Nice.
pasta.
Nice.
Then we get the spoon and we give it a good mix.
Nice.
Dang, I
Nice.
think you need another stick of butter.
Maybe a
Pasta's-
little.
Dang, I think you need another stick of butter. I don't know.
That's some.
There's not enough butter in here.
You need another stick of it.
Yeah, I need more butter.
Yeah.
It still tastes too much just like water.
I think you need another. Yeah. Keep going.
Fuck, pasta, stop leaving the bowl.
Why'd you get such
Fuck.
a small bowl?
No, I have too much pasta.
No way, Ray's just going back to his gaming crib.
Yeah, bro. Back to the crib.
Yeah,
I need more butter.
you do.
There's the. Yo, leaking the fridge. Let's
No
go.
way, no way. I am leaking the fridge because I'm recording and
Yo, dude.
I'm gonna make this a YouTube.
Dude, butter, get off my knife. Alright. Now we mix some more.
I'm just gonna like make this the video and then yeah, that's the video. It's just you making food.
I am now on the computer.
No way.
Alright, I need more butter. Alright, we mix it in more.
I think you need another stick of butter.
I think I do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he does. Nice. That looks good.
And now we give it a taste.
Why'd you leave
You
one
know,
on the
didn't like
table,
spices or anything?
dang?
Wait, one fell into the table.
Yeah.
Oh no, put it
Do,
back in.
do you want it?
No,
Yeah,
don't
give me
give
that.
me the
Nom nom nom
table,
nom nom nom.
Oscar.
Yum, yum.
Alright, needs more butter.
You need more butter, yeah. That was pretty.
Need some pepper
It's
on
just-
there.
No, I know, but I'm just lathering it up real quick, you know.
Yeah, I think you need another stick of butter.
Another one.
Alright, let's give it another taste.
Nice. Tastes kind of like butter.
I think you need
A
more
hint
butter.
of butter. You're gonna get a freaking. You have so much butter, you get a heart disease.
Dank, I don't think you need a knife for that. I think you need. You
Dank,
know that, you know that thing that you use to
Dank, you're
carry
muted
cake?
somehow. You muted yourself somehow.
Yeah, somehow.
I'm muted, I was moaning. I was moaning because of all the
Oh.
butter I was eating.
Oh, alright.
Oh.
Makes sense.
Now we free the cheese.
Yeah. Does that look like cheese to you?
Yeah, that is cheese.
Barely.
I thought that was a stick of butter.
No, that's cheese.
It looks like butter.
Alright, wait, I don't know how to do this.
Like,
Fuck, no!
what?
The cheese fell in the butter.
Just give butter and cheese, you know?
I don't know, I need to put the... Sorry guys, I have to put the phone down.
I think you put the cheese on like the
A grater,
cutting
yeah.
board, and then you put then you put the thing on top of the cheese, and then you squish it against the cutting board, and then you get the cheese
Yeah.
to be cut. You know?
I can't believe you just got the butter.
Alright guys, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get some butter.
Hang on. Wait for it.
Why'd you just grab the
ASMR.
stick of butter with your bare hand?
Cheese.
Alright.
Hell yeah.
I think you
good.
need more butter.
No, I think you need
I'm
some
putting the cheese. Cheese is back in the packet. I can always add more if I want more.
Doesn't look like butter to me.
Does he want more?
And then we have pepper. This is pepper.
Pepper.
Hell
I'll
yeah.
put this down. I grind on some pepper.
Hell yeah.
So grind
Lots of pepper. I love pepper.
Hell yeah,
pepper,
same.
pepper.
The grinder's not working. Where's the pepper? Okay.
Oh.
The whole thing is gonna be black when he gets the phone back up again.
I think the
No, you currently you're looking at the creation, yeah.
I think the camera
This
is
is the food.
Oh, yeah.
This is the food right here.
Yeah. it is.
Alright,
what it
alright, you
looks
can
like.
see little
Oh,
pepper is sprinkled on.
why is there
Yeah.
so much cheese? I mean, to be fair, there's a lot of
Fork.
pasta.
Oh yeah.
And we mix.
Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Dude, this is like Gordon Ramsay level.
Nah,
Mm.
it would.
Yes.
It would be Gordon Ramsay, but
Gordon Ramsay
you
would
need
put
a
more
stick
butter.
of butter.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I think you need
Yeah.
more butter.
Need some drink now.
You know what we need?
Veggie-
Vegemite.
You want What's this? Should we put some vanilla extract on it? Vanilla essence. Well, we got Helga's light rye bread, some
Elga.
soy sauce. Helga.
That's
Helga's bread.
Just like
What
just like
else have I got here?
Just like Elga's
Spaghetti.
Argentinian spy name, bro. Helga.
Tomato
Helga.
sauce, Ketchup. Nah. Get on the throw it in the trash. Walks to the trash bin. What is this?
Here's some maths.
Oh damn.
Yo.
Get that out of here.
Map.
Disgusting. Oh yeah, we have maps under our table since we do a lot of bushwalks.
I thought
Yo.
I thought you were gonna bring it all the way to the trash can. It's like, let's start again.
Fuck. I'm moving all my sister's stuff.
What if somebody
Oh,
says,
here's money.
nice money.
Yo, put money in the
Scissors.
food.
No.
Sprinkle some money on there.
You need some iron in there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right, cheese is being packed away.
Aw.
Rest in peace.
Goodbye, cheese. You can go sit with the other cheese. What drink should I have?
Vegemite.
There's not much. Could have some orange juice.
Get some Vegemite.
No,
Oh, you like
I'm gonna have some orange juice.
Some Milo in the food.
Oh.
What?
What?
Uh-oh. My man just finished making food and then someone just comes in.
Oh no. Goodbye, dank riverbed.
He's just like, yo, I made myself some macaroni and like, you're disowned, goodbye.
Goodbye.
That was my macaroni.
He's not going
Man's
back.
gone. Man's died.
Yeah. Spippo just keeps abusing the not-so bot.
Oh damn, he is. Oh no, what happened to him?
Oh no.
No.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yo, camera's back.
Let's go. That good thing I didn't end the video.
Yo, he's muted though.
He is muted. It's a lot of orange.
He's got the
juice.
orange juice.
Okay, I'm
Also
back.
egg. Nice.
So what happened?
Yo,
Mm.
Did you get shouted at?
It's just my brother.
Oh.
He did shout at me though. I literally shit my pants because I thought someone like invaded my house.
police comes in, freeze! You're
Now I'm
under
home
arrest
alone though.
Under
Oh.
arrest for putting butter on your macaroni.
He didn't put
Mm.
enough, that's why he got arrested.
This is so good. Mm.
It looks good.
Looks fine.
You want some?
No.
Yeah, I want.
Eat up.
I just ate, but I'll take some.
Mm. Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, finish it.
Dude, there's a lot here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna enjoy this meal.
No, get
Hell
the
yeah.
plate and put it and tilt it over until it goes in your mouth.
Mm.
Swallow it all.
I know you have,
Engulf the whole bowl.
I know you have a mouth big enough to eat the bowl, cause like that bowl is so small, dude. Ugh.
No, it's not. Look,
You
that's my
have-
hand.
You have a small hand then.
No.
The only
that's-
accurate measuring here is the fork, and the fork seems pretty big here.
Nah, that's kind of a
Never
lot
mind.
of food. That's like above average sized meal.
Look how much I can grab with this fork. Mmm. Mmm.
Okay, finish the meal.
Mmm. So look at these maps.
Mhm.
Nice map.
Apparently my
Alright, so
recording
this
will-
here
That
This
was
is the
it.
central plateau protected area. Now,
Whoa.
down here we've got the Great Lake,
It's
Okay.
pretty great. Like,
and these are trails that are possible to walk. And just a bit south, a bit southwest this way, there's a mountain range called the Walls of Jerusalem. Now,
Wow,
I walked to
Jerusalem.
those mountains. And it was difficult because I got lost on top of a mountain in the middle of nowhere.
But now you're eating.
That's besides the point.
Apparently, my video of you and Gracia making food is 40 minutes long.
Let's go. Extreme.
The new world record, I guess. I don't know.
Just upload it raw to your YouTube channel.
Yeah, I will just upload it.
Yeah.
I won't even cut out the part where I said like, oh, I'm gonna start recording, and then like the part where like you were gone. I'm just gonna like upload it fully raw.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be a stream VOD, dude. Thanks for the sub.
Let's take a sip of the orange juice.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. Nice. Thanks. Glug glug.
Glug glug.
Fuck. Okay, you guys can just look at the map trails.
Alright.
Alright.
Wow, it is light rain for today, and it feels like 36 Celsius. How awesome.
25 Celsius and sunny.
It's 30.
I'll find out what.
Yeah, what temperature over there?
Wait, that's not where I live. Alright, I'm going to where I live.
No.
Oh wow, it's 9 degrees.
What?
It does not feel like 9 degrees.
Oh, I think it disconnected. Never mind.
Ended up not being too much pasta. How nice.
Damn, you eat quite fast. Okay, I'm gonna
Did you
end
eat the whole
video.
thing?
Mm.
Good
Yeah, in the video.